guys? Welcome back to Second and All. I'm stoked with you guys and we're always smiling. I don't know if you guys caught the last video. We did a wicked out there cooking on some ackee and saltfish rundown. It was epic. And we just laid out here for a while. I didn't quite sleep. I didn't fall asleep or nothing, but I was just laying down. And yeah, so now anyway, the girls are about to put on some bikinis. Yo, jump over to Knots JA. Sarah made some bikinis, custom made twinning bikinis for her and also for Tiffany Silver. So yeah, it's gonna be a vibe, yo. But I think today's gonna be perfect for an amazing Mexican drink that I had in Mexico. I love it, one of my favorite drinks to have. So I'm gonna make that up for everybody and then just chill out a little bit more if I'm to be quite honest. And then maybe later on we can do some shrimp tacos. Try find the freshest mint leaf that we can find. Anything that too withered, don't want it like these too withered. Kind of tricky keeping stuff cold out here. A little bit of white sugar. Can use brown sugar as well. I kind of want a see-through kind of look, more transparent. Let's go muddle them together. This does is really to get out the mint flavor without damaging the leaves too much, because if the leaves then become fine, I mean it gets stuck up in the straw and it's harder to drink. I mean that still happens nonetheless, but you know. So I just want to make enough so we can get like about a serving or two for each person without having to come back again and again for every serving. Oh my gosh. Woo! That mint flavor. It's really nice in there. It's really good. It's really good. Muy bueno, muy bueno. So the construct to this, I think, to make it make sense. And the construct is, I'm guessing for me, I'd like to use the ice to kind of trap some of these. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. Throw some whites in this. cup soda and some simple syrup. Just kind of mix that in liquor. Bam. That's our outdoor mojito. Let's see how good it is. Give it to any one of them you want.
Oh, this is for us. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Rum. Whole heap of rum. Oh, I love it. It's just the right amount with the... Is lemon? Yeah, but...
Not lemon, lime.
A lime? It's a good combination.
Do you taste the mint?
Yeah, I tasted it just a while ago.
Oh, strong? Or...
It's strong. It's strong.
Mojitos completed. Tastes really good. But it's ugly. It's probably not the prettiest of mojitos, but I think the next time I do it, I'll make adjustments. Oh my god. Bro. Right thing about the cuss, bro. Eh? Yeah, man. Girl, let me say, well, people they say kind of strong. Nice.
No,
Sarah say,
it's nice.
you feel like you're
I
drunk?
feel
Come here, so. That's how you feel.
like a...
And you're drunk.
I just feel
FM.
nice. I don't feel drunk.
I feel good. Not JA. Not JA. Okay. Okay. This shit fire.
Anyway, my cousin, I'm going to take some photos of them right now, so I'm going to go drink my juice and watch the proceedings. Right.
Watch it.
Steven, you done?
Well, I don't know.
Is it ready?
Get this show on the road.
I'm going to take a photo of you, man, but no want more liquor.
How everybody feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Like a shoe.
Alright, them say they want one more, so we're going to make one more. I make sure I set everything copper set.
Yeah.
Vibes.
Picture for go viral and thing. Yo. Tiffany, we're not going to cook later. Yes! Feeling good. Hey. Like I should. Hey.
Man, the travelers on it.
Neighborhood.
Hey.
Not stay. Yeah. You can say nothing.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to know about this. So like, we always see, what you call him something again? The crochet work and stuff like that. How does it feel on your body? Like, cause she never took much of a measurement on you, am I right?
She didn't take anything.
Just look at your body one time from the videos and then just make a piece and do slight little custom fitments.
Really good. Fits me really well, I must say. Yes. Yes. Fits me really good. I feel comfortable in it.
You feel comfortable, so
Very
that's what I want to know. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very
Material.
comfortable. Yeah, it is.
Yo, jump over to NotJA, that's on Instagram. You can put in your orders. You don't know, just say your Soai sent you over there and things. It's gonna be a whole vibe. Anyway, on to the photo shoot. Oh, the oil man is here. Go shoot oil man.
Sorry, alright, feeling good? You're trying still cook later.
Oh yes. guys, wait for the next video. They're going to be cooking something. I don't know exactly what it is for us tonight. So I'm gonna cook something else, like I said before, and then they will cook for us in the night, because they don't know in the night you get hungry, the munchies and stuff. Anyway, all right, so we're gonna go take up some photos right quick. And the sole purpose of these photos, of course, I think when you're young, it's good to immortalize, you know, all the experiences. That's why I vlog in the first place. It's like all my memories. These things I might just never quite remember every single scene or every single instant, and when I vlog, it's the same thing. Same thing for these people that follow me and, you know, come on these trips along. And at the same time, Sarah is also working on her brand as well, which is not JA, so they'll be taking photos specifically for that today. You know, the pieces that she's doing. So, and at the same time, you know, my cousin is over there. He's also working on his skill, which is, you know, taking photos. So yeah, you know, everybody that rolls around has their objectives, and, you know, I want everybody to grow. You know what funny? Kiana try to get up, and Vanilla is just like, bro, I want to go in your lap. You love Kiana, you know.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave. The night is still young. Stay in the light. I want you to see it. Just for tonight, I want to believe. So keep on coming closer. Keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body. I want you to know.
How do you guys freaking do this? Like, I say water beat pounder, like you almost drown all night water, it take you a couple times, like
So this is,
what's the motivation, yo?
we'll have to get the picture. So we just have in mind that the picture has to be great. So whatever cost is going to cost us, then, you know.
So we see you modding like a new piece.
Well, this one is not really new. It's already on my page, but you know, it's never really been wet. So yeah, but this is a short set. You can actually get it with a regular bikini top if you want. But yeah, for those who don't want necessarily like a fancy,
Exposed type of
yeah,
thing.
you can get the short set, you know.
Cause I know some persons
High-waisted.
they're not as, you know, youthful.
Yeah, it's bold. Because trust me, I have some very bold bathing suits that's coming up. But yeah.
Wow. That water went right on my camera. But yeah, you're right, because other times when persons want to hang with me, I've heard persons say they want to wear thongs, and I'm just like, you can't wear thongs on YouTube. Because the people are to kill me already because beautiful people.
So you can just get yourself a nice little short set from NotchJA on Instagram. Pick me up and I'll pick you up.
What's your preferred bikini style? Is it like this one, like what she has on, or more like that?
This one. I like this one.
Like this one?
Yeah, I like this one.
In
So
terms of
yes,
the
I would wear
coverage?
this.
In
Yeah,
terms of
I would-
coverage?
Yeah, I don't like to show as much because I'm a very curvy woman, as you may know.
Yeah.
But you know, I'm taking one for the team because I think she's promoting for plus size women, and I love that.
Yeah.
So I'm really taking one for the team right now and doing this.
Because she looks good in it. She looks good in it. You know, so if you want to look sexy but not showing too much, you can wear this. But this is also nice where you
Yeah,
get
this
to
is
cover
nice.
the nipples. And, you know, it's still conservative. So, yeah.
Oh, I noticed that, yeah.
Yes, cover the nipples.
And it's so funny that you actually caught it, like where her nipples would
No,
hang.
yeah.
Like how did you do that?
No measurements. Let me tell you, I think God blessed me with this thing just to look at pictures and, you know, just to make a judgment from there. So that's how I've been doing it and it works. So I just
Vibes.
go with what works.
No, you know, in this part of the video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a girl in like 2-5 minutes, like legit. A lot of you guys watch these videos for a plethora of different reasons. It could be the scenery of Jamaica, the cooking that I do, the characters that you see in the videos, the way how I view the world, the nostalgia of things, or female. Let's be honest. It doesn't matter what you want to film in any video. It could be the most epic of waves or the most beautiful sunset. The most beautiful thing that God has ever created was a female. And this is quite obvious because another female can look at another female and go, damn, she's beautiful. And the man will do the same for that same female. Now, my key formula to getting any single girl out there is being yourself, bro. But within this formula, you have to also accept that not because you're yourself or you're honest, it means that the female has to be with you. Now, I don't recall ever trying to look a female in my life. Reason being, I know that there's a pressure on the female species. The moment that a female is around you, John knows, you feel kind of like, yo, what is it that this guy wants from me? What always worked for me? I just do what I have to do in life. Just enjoy life, show my personality. If she like it, she like it. And many of the times, the female just like who you are because you're honest, you're genuine, and she gets drawn and attracted to the fact that you are not pushing up on her. Now, that being said, I don't understand why is it that the man them a go out there and a rape and a kill the women them because they feel disrespected if they try to look a female and the female doesn't want them, or the female wants to leave a relationship. Now, for you as a man, you running around and worrying about someone trying to lock you up or arrest you because you kill a female don't make no sense. Secondly, bro, you actually completely deteriorated your chance of even getting back with that female. And three, he's up. Because clearly you want more man. You just take one woman off of the earth, you know? You see, Pre? You legit just take away one female off of the earth and you make one extra man on the earth, bro. That makes sense? Brother, for the man them, if you really want to get a girl, talk to them, be honest. Matter of fact, Tiffany, come over here really quick. Zane? No. You're a beautiful female, yeah?
Yeah.
Body hot, you look good. When you ever dip on side vlogs, have you ever felt like exploited? Like, me I say, yo, Tiffany, do this. And if you do that, it's very.
No, I've never.
Alright, see? If you are on a man, which man would you prefer to be more attracted to? Meaning, would you prefer a guy that's in your ears and I try to look you and a pss, 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 or a man that is just around you and just be a human being. And if you decide to like him, I like him. Which of them man am more attracted to?
Definitely the one will just be chill and be a human being. And nobody watch, oh, Tiffany have a hot body when I look her. No. I'm not that. I don't like when men do that. You come off really strong when you do them things. I'm not be disrespectful, but you don't need to appreciate and respect women. Like when you not call woman and baby, I like you, it's a turn off.
You know what just mind-boggling a while ago? The fact that you have to say, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Which I don't think you should have, you really even have to say that, because clearly you're a body,
My body.
and nobody wants to feel, you understand? Now what you feel about the situation now, like, because I mean, let's be real, you feel comfortable in a bikini.
Yeah, I do.
I noticed that,
Yeah.
right? How you feel about the man them where I kill the girl them, I rape the girl them?
I feel incredibly scared because I don't have a car, right? And it's sad to say, I did afraid to say it, you know, but you need to understand, say, it's very scary for us women. I walk out of our house, I take something we don't know if it's genuine or if I want to set up. You need to understand, say, them things you need to stop. It is very sad how not treat women, all of the men them out there. It is very scary and it's very sad. We're supposed to can just wear what we want to wear without it being an issue or feeling disrespected or feeling like if we don't respond to it's an issue or we're not gonna make it an issue. Just relax, man, and just enjoy on life. That's all me have to say. It's very sad for no say we not kill woman for foolishness.
It's legit that simple. Like I met you one time with Paige, and me and you the second time we were able to go on the road, chill, hang out.
It's all love.
You see me, I say, and it's that easy. If you hang out with a female and she will actually appreciate your time. Like, you know, if you in her ears and I say, Ray, like, bro. Anyway, I want to get back to this. Like, this actually kind of mess up my thoughts. Like, I don't feel comfortable anymore. Anyway, youth, remember me tell you this. The fact say, yo, you take a woman off of this earth.
Certain scenarios where you can look on and say, alright, I definitely work hard. No, and my hard work, I make my future be different.
Exactly.
Not what I have right now.
Right now, it's nothing at all that you have right now because think I'm like that.
Gone.
Ever.
Love kiss.
Ever. Oh, alright. You're so awful.
What did I say? Yeah, take picture of me.
Why you say so?
Better run some kiss.
Yo.
See? No, the phone not the hand. Come on. Alright, we'll get ready to make these shrimp tacos. I don't know what kind of wood this is, but yo, it's been burning like all afternoon straight to the evening. Maybe like the last 4 hours. So I'll catch back the fire real quick. Alright, so the fire is in there going. We can leave that. And I'm going to try to take off some of these files off my memory card. If you guys appreciate the longer videos, because yeah, these videos are eating up the memory, drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and just say, yo, more videos. Alright, so the girls are gone to do so cleaning up on the dishes, so I only have this knife. That will make it work. And we're gonna try to shred some cabbage for the tacos. Alright, that was a dumb idea. The blade is too short to do it effectively, so let's go for the other knife. So I want to know about this thing. If you guys ever checked out the taco video, the fish taco one, it's gonna be a little bit more detailed and more explained in that video. But yeah. Now we cook not to entertain but to eat.
This honey kind of seep up. Everything is done by judgment, guys. We're not following a recipe. I'm not following a recipe. Just gonna taste and see if it needs something else. I'm gonna mix this for now. Oh, I was supposed to put cayenne pepper in there. Sprinkle a little cayenne. Alright. Time to mix. So I want you to taste it and see if anything else needs to be added. So, alright.
A little more cayenne.
Okay. One extra one.
Alright, so our flour, season it up with salt, black pepper, cayenne. Same thing for the shrimp. Salt, black pepper, cayenne. And drop them in here. Shake them up. So you guys saw the KFC video. Same method. That video, you just dip it in some water, and trust me, it works. Just as good as eggs. Shrimp don't take long to cook, you know, so quick drop once it's golden up. You can take them out. shrimp done, tortillas done, some cabbage, onion, tomato, cheese, and the sauce. So, when I share it on yourself, see what I go on can, you can start off the vibes. Gonna vibrate, bro. You know what say he's a wicked man.
Yeah, no, yeah.
John, oh, brother. Now the whole grung shake like that. You not put it in it like that?
No, I want to eat this one.
No cheese?
No, I didn't even remember.
Man, I'll vibrate out the memory I have to blow. Hold on, pick up bag. Pick up your bag.
Oh, yeah.
See bag right there, so. Yo, the moon behind here, epic, you know, bro.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, man. You're a taco boring still, because you're not a tomato or onion and everything.
Anytime, Sarah.
Sarah, go through, Sarah. Wicked same way for you.
Mm. French fried chip. The sauce is nice here.
Stonks. Alright. Hey, you suck up the shrimp. Just check it up.
Just use your hand, yeah, man. Anybody want cuss, same cuss. Hungry, what just hungry.
Alright.
Hey, good.
Yo.
Shrimp.
Eh? Shrimp the
Oh,
wicked.
nice. Can't wait for you to taste this too. Sauce.
Say sauce with it bad.
Like the spice as well.
Tomato, onion. Cabbage. Cheese.
Alright. Where are from? What's going to
Girl, hurry up, cause me hungry.
Don't take too long. Can't rush perfection, you know. You can't because it's perfect already.
Let me ask it.
Bad. Extra bad.
That's true, the sauce gives an extra kick.
Extra kick.
Mm.
The shrimp. Wicked.
Nice and crunchy.
Alright, me hungry.
Yeah, Ram.
No,
You
that's
so much food you have in her or something?
I don't
You
think.
better try know you cook my dinner tonight, yeah. That may I make you know. Think this little taco can hold big man? And them are flan food.
You're Tiffany like a 2-away.
Wow.
Bossy.
A bad man.
Wicked man.
No, seriously.
No one.
Yeah, go to Tiffany.
Okay.
Everything is perfect. Sauce makes it so much better though.
Mm-hmm.
I love food, you know.
It's very obvious.
Let's just take this better than the fish taco.
Then I must call shrimp. Vanilla.
Bougie.
Flip them inside. Nice and tender, same way.
You want to put lettuce?
Man.
Huh?
Man.
So, cause, you know, tissue.
Well.
So,
Yeah, first one I need for drop a dose. He couldn't hold it.
can't hold it, man.
What do you do?
So you mean say, don't get distracted now.
Sorry.
So you mean to tell me say, me have your life in the palm of my hands.
You know, not really, you know, cause they don't work just fine, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
So which way you rather?
No, I did
You
flip out more.
rather take a primal one or something more sophisticated? Yo! Alright.
I really don't know.
I'll see what I can do for you.
I paper where I use the almond leaf. But anyways, like how toilet paper there. Later. Hey, you wanna see? You wanna see before me to go me deal with it?
I said the toilet?
Latrine?
Come and see, yeah. I say you set up it. You pick that tree. Boy, outdoor lifestyle kind of strange, because look how we are go walk down for look on how a man's up him toilet. A joke this. No, sir, Keanu. Keanu. I like Keanu, no want nobody smell. Whoa. You know how far we walk? Bomb finat. Keanu. Keanu. No, sir. Keanu, how so far you walk?
Yeah.
Alright, show it.
First, see there's something neck on us though.
So, honey, just have your left foot, this all have your right foot.
Now when I body got it.
Really? Bomba! The poor turkey them supposed to get vexed and then come to lay the egg. Anyway, enjoy yourself, sir.
Thank you.
Guys, that's a really strange way to end today's vlog. But another person's always ask, yo, what is it that you do when you're out there for a while camping? How do you relieve yourself? So I guess you guys kind of know the answer by virtue of Keanu. Anyway, remember three things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link